7 passive income ideas for 2023. Welcome to the treasure trove of financial freedom. Are you ready to embark on a journey where your money works for you instead of the other way around? We're about to delve into the mystical land of passive income. And let us tell you, it's not just a fairy tale. In this treasure map, we've charted out 7 sparkling gems that can change your life in 2023. These aren't your ordinary passive income ideas. They're golden geese waiting to lay eggs of wealth. Stay with us as we unearth these secrets, and who knows, by the end of this video, you might just find the hidden key to your own treasure chest of financial abundance. Buckle up, this is going to be an exhilarating ride. Number 1. Real estate crowdfunding. First up on our list is real estate crowdfunding, which is an attractive option if you wish to invest in the real estate market without the headaches of managing properties. Platforms like Fundrise and Reality Mogul allow you to invest small amounts of money in a pool with other investors. Together, we can buy shares in residential or commercial properties. As these properties generate rental income or appreciate in value, we earn our share of the profits. This way, we have exposure to real estate markets, which have historically been a good hedge against inflation, all without getting our hands dirty. What makes real estate crowdfunding even more interesting is the sheer diversity in property types we can invest in. Fancy being a part of a group that owns a hip new apartment building in Brooklyn? Or how about a stake in a commercial property that's the talk of the town? This opportunity to diversify our investment portfolio across different types of properties and geographical areas, all from the comfort of our homes, makes real estate crowdfunding a tantalizing prospect. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Now, let's turn our attention to dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend stocks, you're essentially purchasing a small piece of a company. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can be a steady stream of income, and the beauty of this is that we can reinvest them to buy more shares, which in turn generates even more dividends. This is a powerful concept called compounding, and it's like a snowball rolling down a hill, it just keeps getting bigger. Now imagine waking up to notifications of dividends being credited to your account from companies all over the globe. Not only can we invest in domestic companies, but venturing into international markets can give us a stake in the global economy. This geographical diversification can provide a safety net during market fluctuations, making dividend stocks a strategic play in the world of passive income. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Third on our list is peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper have changed the lending landscape, enabling everyday investors to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses online. We can earn interest rates that often exceed what traditional savings or CDs offer. However, it's important to note that there's a risk that the borrower may default. So spreading our investments across multiple loans is essential for diversification. What's captivating about peer-to-peer lending is the human element. We're directly helping someone fulfill a dream or get through a tough time. Additionally, platforms now allow us to invest in loans throughout the world. This global connection could enable us to earn interest rates from markets that are booming, while also spreading goodwill and support across borders. It's like being a modern-day benefactor with a financial return. Number 4. Create an online course. Let's switch gears a bit. Have you ever considered creating an online course? If you have expertise in a particular field, you can share your knowledge by creating a course and selling it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. We live in an age where information is invaluable, and people are willing to invest in learning. Creating a course can be time-consuming initially, but once it's up and running, it has the potential to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Intriguingly, creating an online course is not limited to academic subjects. From cooking to fitness, DIY crafts to mindfulness, the possibilities are endless. Plus, the global outreach of the internet means that a person sitting thousands of miles away can learn from your experiences and insights. This ability to impact lives across the globe and become an international mentor is truly empowering. Number 5. Rent out your car. Did you know that your car can be a source of passive income? With services like Turo or GetAround, you can rent out your car when you're not using it. It's simple. Just list your car on one of these platforms, and when someone books it, hand over the keys and start earning. This can be especially lucrative if you live in a tourist-heavy area or near an airport. Another intriguing aspect of renting out your car is that it can turn into a mini entrepreneurial venture. If you have a knack for customer service and marketing, you can create personalized experiences, such as providing a curated list of hidden gems in your city for tourists. Such personal touches can lead to positive reviews, which could spiral into a steady stream of customers eager to rent your car. Number 6. Invest in robo-advisors. Next, let's talk about robo-advisors. Investing in the stock market can be intimidating, but robo-advisors have made it much more accessible. These are automated platforms that create and manage a diversified portfolio for you. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront will invest your money in a range of assets like stocks and bonds, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. With minimal effort on your part, you can be on your way to building a healthy investment portfolio. What's captivating about robo-advisors is the futuristic component. It's like having a team of robot financial advisors at your beck and call. These algorithms are designed to learn from market trends and continuously optimize your portfolio for maximum returns. For those who have always wanted to delve into the world of investing but were deterred by its complexity, robo-advisors are like a golden ticket to the investment chocolate factory. Number 7. License your photos. Lastly, for all the photographers out there, did you know that you can earn passive income by licensing your photos? Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos, and every time someone downloads one, you earn a royalty. In a world where content is king, high-quality images are in demand, and this is an excellent way for photographers to monetize their passion. The fascinating aspect of licensing photos is that sometimes the most unexpected photos can become cash cows. You never know when an image you took, perhaps even casually, becomes highly sought after. In addition, as trends change, different styles of photography might become popular. This constant evolution makes licensing photos an exciting treasure hunt, where your next click could just be the jackpot. And there you have it. 7 passive income ideas that can put you on the path to financial freedom in 2023. From real estate crowdfunding and dividend stocks to creating online courses and licensing your photos, the possibilities are diverse and plentiful. It's essential to remember that passive income usually requires an upfront investment, be it time or money. But with careful planning and dedication, we can create streams of income that work for us around the clock. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the potential of passive income. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more exciting content. Let us know in the comments which passive income idea you're excited to try. Until next time, here's to building a financially abundant future together.